Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will try to solve another Java problem, right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So as you can see, I have written the problem statement, right? So now we will just read it. So the problem statement is take an array of size n, right? Take an array of size n and create the array in such a form that the array in the waveform, right? So first of all, you have to take an array of size n, right? So then you have to convert that array in the form of waveform. So waveform is first value should be decreasing and the middle value should be increasing, right? Middle value should be increasing and the next value should be decreasing and the next value should be increasing and the next value should be decreasing, right? In the waveform. So increasing and decreasing. So you have to convert that array in the waveform, right? I hope you understand the problem statement, right? For example, we are having n is equal to 7. We are having n is equal to 7. And we are having the array which is 10, 90, 49, 2, 1, 5 and 23, right? So first of all, I will sort that array. First of all, I will sort that array. So after sorting, I will get 1, 2, 5, 10, 23, 49, 90, right? So after that, I will swap these values. So in such a way that I will increment the index value by 2. For example, first we are having 0, right? So this is the 0 index, 1, and we are having 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and 7, right? So we are having index value is 0, first value, right? So first we have to compare this value and this value, 1 and 2. So if you find the next element, which is 2, which is bigger than the first element, right? Which is bigger than the first element, right? Then you have to swap it, right? So after swapping, I will get 2, 1, 5, 10, 23, 49 and 90, right? So after that, so this is the 0 and this is the 1, right? So I will increment by 2, right? I will increment by 2. So first value is 0, right? So after incrementing by 2, then the second value should be 5, right? Second value should be 5. So then here you have to compare 5 and 10, right? So then you will find 10 is bigger than 5. Then you have to swap it. So after swapping, you will get 2, 1, here 10 and here 5, right? Again 23, 49 and 90, right? So here we are there, right? In the index 2 we have compared 5 and 10, right? So then you have to increment by 2 again. Now you have to compare 23 and 49, right? So here you can see, right? We are having 23 and 49. So 23 is less than 49. Then you have to swap it. Then you will get 49, 23, right? And final value which is 90, right? There is a no other number to compare, right? So that's why we are leaving. So finally, you can see first we are having increasing and we are having decreasing, right? First we are having increasing and we are having decreasing, and again increasing and decreasing, and again increasing and decreasing, and again increasing, right? So this is the waveform, right? You can see, right? Increasing, decreasing and decreasing, right? So this is the problem statement and the procedure to write the code, right? I hope you understand the problem statement, right? Now I will just write the code. So first of all, I will write import java dot util dot star, right? So here I will write main method, which is public static void main string args. We're having string args, right? So here you have to open the main method and I will write scanner class, which is scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in, right? So here I will write int n is equal to sc dot next int, right? I have taken the n value, right? I will take the array arr is equal to new int of size n, right? So in this way we have to declare the array which is size n, right? So after that you have to open the for loop which starts from int I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus, right? And here you have to open the for loop, and here you have to write ar of I is equal to sc dot next int, right? So here I will pass the function called waveform. So I will pass the waveform, and here I will pass arr and the n value, right? I hope you understand. So this is the function. Waveform is the function. In that function I have passed the arr and the n value, right? So now we have to write the function which is waveform. Public static void waveform, right? So in that we have passed the arr and the int n, right? So we have to open that, right? So first of all we have to sort it, right? We have to sort the array, right? For that I'm using arrays dot sort method, and I will pass arr, right? So first we have sorted the array, right? So now we have to write the for loop, right, which starts from 0 and I less than n minus 1, right? So why I'm taking n minus 1? Because each time we have to increment by 2, right? Here I will write I plus equal to 2, right? I will open the for loop, right? Why? Because why I'm traveling up to n minus 1? Because we have to compare this last element, right? So this is the n minus 1 element. 90 is the n minus 1 element, right? So for example, if I travel 90, then there is no other number to compare it, right? Then there is other number to compare it. So that's why I'm leaving this 90, right? I'm traveling up till 49 only, right? Until n minus 1. So that I can compare this last number to the 90, right? I hope you understand why I'm traveling up till n minus 1 only, right? So each time I have to increment by 2, right? So here I will take a temporary variable which is ar of I, which is the present element, so present index element, right? This is the I is equal to 0 is the present index element, and in the place of ar of I will just replace it, right? And in the place of ar of I will replace it with ar of I plus 1, right? So see here. So in the place of ar of I will place 2, which is ar of I plus 1, right? This is the I plus 1, this is the ar of I, and I will replace it, right? So in the place of ar of I, which is 1 is the ar of I, right? Ar of I is the 1. So in the place of ar of I will swap it ar of I plus 1, which is 2, right? So in the place of 1 I will get 2, and in the place of 2 I will get 1, right? I hope you understand, right? So in the place of ar of I, which is I is equal to 0, right? So in the place of I will swap the value which is ar of I plus 1, right? So whatever the element which is present in the ar of I plus 1, that I will put in the ar of I, which is the first element, right? So in the place of ar of I plus 1, I will put ar of I, which is 10, right? See here, in the place of ar of I, right? So in the place of ar of I plus 1, it is the 2, right? ar of I plus 1 is 2. So in the place of ar of I plus 1, I will put 1. So which is temp. So what is temp? Temp is the ar of I, which is the current element, right? So in the previous classes, we have discussed this sorting techniques, right? I hope you understand. So after that, I will just open the for loop, and here I will write int val colon and the arr and I'll just print the value, right? So in this way also we can print the array, right? So first of all, you have to take a data end and the variable val, right? So whatever variable which you want, you can take it, and you have to write colon, and you have to specify the array, which is ARR, right? Then you have to print the each element which is present in this val, right? So the program is completed, right? So first we have sorted and we have swapped the whole array, right? And after that we have just printed that updated array, right? I hope you understand, right? So now I'll just execute this program by clicking F5, right? Or you can cancel this terminal and you can click on F5 again, right? Now we got the output, right? You have to give the input 7, right? You have to give the input 7, and we are having the values which is 10 first number, and we are having 90 second number, and the third number is 49, and the fourth number is 2, and fifth number is 1, and sixth number is 5, and seventh number is 23, right? So after that you have to get 2, 1, 10, 5, 49, 23, and 90. So this is the output, right? So I'll just click on enter, right? You can see, right? 2, 1, 10, 5, 49, 23, and 90, right? So in this way we can execute the program, right? So we got the output, right? We got the 2, 1, 10, 5, 49, 23, and 90, right? So this is the output which we want, right? I hope you understand. So if you have any doubts in this code, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.